Hi guys, my name is Lee, solo traveler hotelier at 15 years ng OFW sa Singapore at ito ang kwento ko for today's video. Last December nga last minute ba nung pinaklear ang leave ko dahil may enough manpower na daw. At dahil wala tayong araw na gustong sayangan I decided to fly to Taipei, Taiwan agad-agad as in now na. Syempre ang hirap mag-book dahil last minute plus holiday season na dahil sa nalalapit na bagong taon. Grabe ang hirap makahanap ng murang flight at hotel but eventually I managed to book ng medyo mura pa din via Agoda and Trip.com. Yes, if you're looking for cheap hotels and flights, go na kayo sa mga website and apps nila. So after hours of planning everything, diretso na agad tayo sa number 1 airport in the whole wide world, ang Changi Airport. So gumala muna tayo sa Jewel at Changi kung saan makikita ang Vortex Fountain o ang Giant Imbudo. Kahit mukha na akong tambay ng Changi Airport dahil sa kalalabas pasok ko ng SG, ngayon ko lang na-witness ang Indoor Fall Show na may Christmas theme. Everyone watching the show was amazed dahil talaga namang dito lang sa Singapore may ganyan. So nag-check-in na nga tayo sa Scoot at nag-dinner na din tayo sa loob bago ang boarding. I dine in at Penang Culture and I got this Muy Fan at $10.90 and Ampla Juice at $4.50. The Muy Fan was good, not as salty and spicy but you have to finish it while it's hot. Otherwise di na siya masarap pag lumamig and the Ampla Juice was perfect. Lasa siyang hilaw na mangga na medyo maasim. Sarap siguro nito kung dagdagan pa ng bagoong char. All in all, it's a 9/10 for me. So sumakay na nga tayo sa Scoot and since the flight was around 4 hours, matutulog muna ako para makabawi sa pangangarap ko the whole day. Nakaka-excite dahil mamayang umaga around 6 AM na nasa Taiwan na nga tayo. I don't have much research about this place pero ilaban na natin to for the last minute holiday. Kaya see you soon on my next vlog. So guys, follow and like for more naman dyan. Bye!